Most investors fall into the habit or the hopefulness that the market is moving in an upward direction, like we saw over here. As we've seen over the past 2 weeks, the market has moved sideways in the Dow. Even though it hasn't closed below the T-line, it hasn't shown any strength. The same scenario can be seen in the S&P 500, where it hasn't closed below the T-line, but it hasn't shown any strength for the last 2 weeks. A lot of investors get frustrated because they're waiting for all their stocks to keep going up in an upward market. However, with candlestick analysis, you have the opportunity to decide what the market is telling you. In this case, the market's not going up or the market's not going down. This also allows for the opportunity to take advantage of bullish charts as well as bearish charts. Patterns such as the fry pan bottom, as in our recommendation for AMBA, continues to move up even though the market's moving sideways based upon the pattern built into the individual stock price. But during the same market conditions, we also recommend short positions like we did in SALE, because notice we had everything that was indicating that it was time to get bearish. Stochastics got up to the overbought area. We have a bearish engulfing signal after a doji hanging man. Then we have a bearish doji sandwich back below the T-line. And now we can see that we possibly have a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So because the market is not moving up, there's going to be bearish charts as well as bullish charts. CRE is also another recommendation for a bearish or buying puts or going short, because it's rolled over at the T-line, also doing a possible wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3. And note what the trend is doing. The trend is in a downward direction, and it's every time it gets up to a resistance level, such as the T-line, it's failing and heading down. So again, this is just to point out that even though the market is moving sideways, there are good buy situations and there are good sell situations that can easily be identified with candlestick analysis. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.